Today, I am going to explain the implementation of K-means clustering for a customer segmentation. K-means is an unsupervised machine learning algorithm is used to group similar data points into clusters based on the features. In this program, we segment customers using two attributes: annual income spreading scores. First, we import the required libraries. We use the pandas to handle the matplotlib mainplate the dataset, and matplotlib.pyplot for visualization, and k-means for sklearn to perform clustering. Next, we load the dataset using the variable called data. We then display the few rows using data.head function to understand the structures of the dataset. After that, we select the relevant features to clustering. We are the annual income and spending scores, and the score and the short them then in variable called x. These features are used to because they help identify custom purchasing behavior. Then we create the k-means model by specifying the number of clusters as 5 using k-means n underscore cluster equal to 5. The value of 5 we want to divide cluster into 5 groups. We apply the model using the fit underscore function method. This step does two things. It trains the model on the dataset and assign each data points to the nearest clusters. The result is stored in y underscore k means, which contain the cluster labels. Next, we add these cluster labels back to original dataset as a new column called clusters. This helps us easily identify which cluster belongs to which group. For visualization, we use a scatter plot. We plot each cluster separate using different colors so that we can clearly see the grouping of customers. Each point represents a customer based on the income and spending score. We also plot the centroid using k-means dot cluster underscore centers underscore. This centroid represent the center of each cluster and are shown within the large market to distinguish them. Finally, we label the graph with the title x hyphen axis, y axis, and display it is use plot.show, and this is an output. Thank you.